What's your zodiac sign? Aries, Taurus, Gemini. Find your sign and see what the stars say about you. Here are all 12 zodiac signs and their dates. Let's see where you belong. Zodiac signs and date ranges. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th, Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th, Pisces, February 19th to March 20th, Aries, March 21st to April 19th, Taurus, April 20th to May 20th, Gemini, May 21st to June 20th, Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd, Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd, Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd, Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd, Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st, Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st.